to Auto Magic Waterless Car Wash. This is a new product that's designed to wash your car without using water. By using this product, you will get your car well polished and designed, and it doesn't allow water to stay in your body anytime rain falls, and doesn't allow dust to stick into your body of the car. All what you need to get your car washed is 2 microfiber of this type and this 3 type of different type of a liquid. This one, we call it Auto Magic Pink. It's made to clean the outside, the body of the car. This one is a dashboard cleaner. It's meant to clean the inside of the car, to polish it and get it shine. This is Auto Magic Lemon, all purpose. This is designed for cleaning the tire, for cleaning the engine, for cleaning the rug and the seat of the car. It's a very nice product. By using this product, you are going to get your car every day shining in a perfect way, and you will have all your enjoyment. By using this our product, you are going to save your money, because you use this little product to clean your car about 10 times, and you have a good quality, and you see the good effect of this our product. There are so many car wash products in the town, but you have to be very careful and test it well before you know the one that is good for you. By displaying our products, you are going to see what we mean by the quality, and the quality of Auto Magic. You will see the wonderful work, the magic work of these products through our video display. So please stay with us and bear with us.